Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you step by step how to pin a list to your home timeline on X. Whether you use lists to organize accounts you follow or simply want quick access to your favorite topics, this feature makes it easier than ever to keep your timeline exactly the way you like it. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to edit. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon. This is usually found at the top left corner of the screen, and it's where you'll find all of your navigation options. From here, scroll until you see the option for lists, then tap on it. You'll now see all the lists you've created or subscribed to. This could include categories like news, sports, tech, or any custom group of accounts that matters to you. Browse through the list options and select the one you want to pin. After you tap into the list, look for the small pin icon located next to its name. Tapping this icon instantly adds the list to your pinned timeline view. Once pinned, you can easily swipe left or right from your home feed to switch between your default timeline and your pinned lists. This creates a more focused browsing experience, letting you skip the noise and jump straight into the conversations you're most interested in. If you change your mind later, unpinning is just as simple. Head back into your list, tap the pin icon again, and the list will be removed from your home timeline view. Pinning lists is a powerful way to stay organized on X and take control of your feed. Instead of scrolling endlessly to find the content you want, you'll have it just one swipe away. Try it out and see how much more personalized your experience can feel. And that's it. You now know exactly how to pin a list to your home timeline on X. It's quick, easy, and a great way to make sure your feed stays focused on what matters most to you.